Welcome to movement. To begin, we're going to take a nice big inhale, raise our arms up to the side, and then bring them straight in front of us as we slightly round out our back. Each of the moves that we'll be doing today, we will do 5 sessions of them, so 5 of each movement. So here we go with a nice big exhale. Bring those hands forward. Great. One more time now. Reach it up and really try to get that full range of motion. It's so important that we do that. Now we're just going to lean back, touch your back into the chair, and then come up. Exhale, round, pull in your core, and then inhale and bring up the chest. Do this a few more times.
Jesus sought me when a stranger, wandering from the fold of God.
All right, now we're going to go ahead and extend one leg, and we're going to take and lean forwards, pulling down with the chest, and then drop the head and round your back and bring it up. So pull forward, leading with the chest, round the back, and pull up. And let's do that a few more times here. Feel a stretch in the back of your leg and pull up.
Death shall lose me, I cannot proclaim it well.
Now let's do it one more time, and then we'll go ahead and switch it to the other leg. So extend it out, lead with that chest, exhale as you come down, nice big inhale, rounding it up. Let's do that 4 more times now.
You are great, I am. Oh, to grace, how great a debtor daily I'm constrained to be. Let thy goodness like a fair.
Okay, now we're going to do a great stretch for our shoulder area. Pull your arm across your body, grab it with your opposite arm, pulling it in to increase that stretch. Bring it up out to the side, bring it across your body, pull it in. We'll do this 2 more times. And we'll now go and switch it to the other side, raising it up out to the side, across the body. Use that opposite arm to increase that movement by pulling it in towards the body. Now while doing this, be sure that you're keeping your core nice and tight, lifting it up and in.
You are great, I am. Here's my heart, oh.
Now we want to pick up our leg and cross it over the other one. Push that knee down as much as you can. If this is too much, just go ahead and keep the foot on the ground. Now what we want to do is to pull forward with our chest, and you should feel a nice stretch in the back of your bottom, just off to the side, almost to your hip area. Really pull forward with the chest and then come back up. And now we'll switch it over and we'll do it to the other side. This is a great one because so often we get our hips really tight and it's hard to get this movement in them. So this is something that I recommend that you do almost every day.
Lost, but now I'm found. Was blind, but now I see.
Alright, now come on up and grab the back of your chair so that you have something to hold on to. Push your chest out and lift up, opening up the chest. Feel the stretch, then relax. And do it again, really lifting up that head and the chest and relax. Feel that stretch. Keep your core nice and tight as well. Raise your hands high overhead and pull them forward just to the knees, then take them right back up. Now when you do this, you really want to round out up by your shoulder blades. Feel your shoulder blades kind of pulled forward and a little bit of a stretch, giving those arms some nice big movement here. You want to pull it forward, keep that core tight, Exhale, bring it down, and then bring it back up. Now you want to have one more time actually we'll do that, come down. Now we keep our elbows back and we drop and pull those elbows into our sides and bring them all the way back up. Feel the pulling them into your side and come back up. A couple more times here.
Me safe thus far, and grace will lead me home. Amazing grace.
Now scoot your bottom all the way back to the chair. Let your back rest into the back of the chair. Bring up one leg as you bring your arms down. You bring it up to your level. You might not be able to lift it as high as I am, and that's okay. Just bring it up, keeping that core tight, and as the arms come down, that leg comes up. Great, let's switch it to the other side, and support your back by leaning into the chair. Now take your arm, cross it over the body, grab the edge of the chair, and give it a big twist. This is great for movement in your spine. So often as we age, we lose movement in our spine, or just from sitting all day, we can be very tight in our back. And it's important that we keep movement. So we're just crossing our arm over, pulling our shoulders around. This movement should come from the shoulders turning. Again, while doing this, I know I've said it, but keep your core nice and tight, keep your feet on the ground, giving it a big twist here.
We first begun. Amazing grace we have.
Now we're just going to raise up the balls of our feet nice and high. This will create a stretch in your calf. It's good to keep lifting up as high as you can to get those ankles moving and to feel that stretch in the calf. And now we're just going to switch it where we're lifting up our heels as high as we can. Come all the way up and all the way down. We forget sometimes that our ankles can get stiff, and it's important that we keep movement in this part of our body as well. Let's put one leg out to the side. Support it by putting your arm on the leg. Bring the arm up overhead, feel that stretch, and come back. So you're reaching out over your head, out to the side, and then back up. You should feel a nice stretch down the side of your body as your arm comes up overhead. Great. Let's go ahead now. Bring that leg in, the other leg out, and reach it out to that side. Don't forget to breathe, it's important.
Not be all else to me, say that thou art, thou my best thought by day or by night, waking or sleeping, thy presence my life.
Now we cross our elbow over. This one's a tough one, so just be careful. Listen to your body on this. But you drop forward, put your opposite elbow on your thigh, pushing the other elbow up towards the ceiling. Great for that twisting in your spine. It also works the lower back. Let's go to the other side now. Twist and come all the way back up. Don't stay bent over on this. I want you to come all the way back up. Good job. Let's finish up now. Take a big inhale up and then push your arms forward and your body comes forward as well. Big inhale, arms forward, lean forward. If you can get your hands down to the ground, fantastic. But if not, just go where you can go. And it's so important, guys, that you keep your eye on God throughout your day. I love the saying, alive, which stands for always living in view of eternity. Thanks for doing this with me, and I hope you feel fantastic and strong. Good job.